News channel. I'm Aarti Tiwari and let's start with the breaking news. In the Lakhampuri violence case, there was an agreement between the administration and the farmer compensation announced. As per the report, Lucknow, 8 people died in the violence that took place during the farmer protest in Lakhampuri Khiri in Uttar Pradesh on Sunday. Among the dead are 4 farmers, 3 BJP workers and 1 BJP leader driver. Meanwhile, the politics of Uttar Pradesh has heated up regarding the matter and the leader of different party are trying to come to Lakhampuri Khiri. UP CM Yogi Adityanath held a high-level meeting last night regarding the Lakhampuri Khiri case in which UP DJP and Additional Chief Secretary Home Avnish Awasthi were also present. CM Yogi has issued a statement expressing grief over the violence and said there will be investigation and the guilty will not be spared. According to the report, Union Minister Ajay Mishra said, "I was not on the spot and neither was my son present there. Such a demand without head and feet is not justified. Get the matter investigated. This is an unfortunate incident. Some miscreants were hiding in the disguises of farmers who planted stone on the vehicle and burned the vehicle. Our worker has been murdered. It is clear in the video that they had heating the car. 50 lakh rupees should be given to our workers." He further said, "My son was present in that program at 11 in the morning. There was that conspiracy, maybe my son could be in the car and thinking here that he could be attacked. Had my son been in the car, he might have lots of life too." Union Minister big allegation on Rakesh Tikot. Union Minister Ajay Mishra has given his stand on the Lakhampuri Khiri violence and has made a big allegation on the farmer leader Rakesh Tikot. He has said Rakesh want to spread instability in the country. Along with this, he said that Lakhampuri my worker were attacked with the S word and stick. Maybe if my son had been on the spot, maybe he could have lost his life too. Regarding the Lakhampuri Khiri violence, Congress leader Rajiv Shukla said the way in which the turmoil is going in UP and the BJP government is working, there is a restatement among the people. This whole incident has been done a day before by treating, he said. The behavior of the police with our leader Priyanka Gandhi was not right. Police have scuffled with the MP Dipendra Honda. Priyanka ji has been kept in the custody at the unknown place. Not only this, our 2 chief ministers are not being allowed to go there. As per the news agency report, Rajiv Shukla said Priyanka Gandhi should be released immediately and she should be allowed to meet the victim family of Lakhampuri. Union Minister Ajay Mishra should be immediately removed from the post of minister and his son should be arrested. Congress party is with the farmer. This government is anti-farmer. The Congress party will conduct a national-wide agitation tomorrow across the country. Security of Ajay Mishra house increased after the Lakhimpuri incident. The security of Delhi residence of Union Minister of State from Home Ajay Mishra Tani has been increased. The Minister of State for Home has an official residence at Narendra Apartment in Delhi where CRPF personnel were developed. Along with this, Delhi Police personnel have also been developed. PCR van have also been developed outside Narendra Apartment. According to the news, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdul has tweeted regarding the Lakhampuri Khiri violence, has described Uttar Pradesh as a new Jammu and Kashmir. He wrote Uttar Pradesh is the new Jammu and Kashmir. As per the report, Yogi Adityanath called a big meeting. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has called a big meeting regarding the Lakhampuri Khiri case. Deputy CM Kesav Prasad Mayura, Deputy CM Dr. Dinesh Sharma, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Suresh Khanna and Vastrandra Devi Singh beside top official of the Uttar Pradesh government are also present in the Chief Minister residence at 5 Kalidas Marg. CM Yogi Adityanath is discussing various points including the Lakhampuri incident. The Chief Minister had also summed the report report of the entire matter. Journalist killed in Lakhampuri Kheri. The death toll in the Lakhampuri Kheri violence has risen to 9 and the missing journalist's body has been recovered. The case of death of local journalist Raman Kashyap has come to light, who was a resident of Khashan area. The relative have come for the dead body at the post-mortem house. The relative of the journalist blocked the Nikhasan interaction by keeping the dead body. The family demand that the culprits should be punished and they should be thought at the earlier. After the death of 8 people in the Lakhampuri UP, politics has started heating up in the Uttarakhand. All the senior Congress leader and worker will be observed silent toward along with the Palestine or district headquarters. Harish Rawat will observe silent at the SSP office today. All the office bearers have been asked to protest together at 12:30 am. As per the report, Akhilesh Yadav arrested former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister and SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav was denied it, which was opposed by the worker of the Samajwadi Party. Earlier, Akhilesh Yadav sat on a dharma outside his house in Lucknow after being spotted from the going to Lakhampuri Kheri. As per the news agency report, Akhilesh Yadav demand rehabilitation. Akhilesh Yadav, who has sitting on the dharma, said that farmer has been opposed more than the British. The BJP government is doing injustice to the farmer. Akhilesh Yadav said the Minister of State for the Home should be resigned. Akhilesh Yadav also demanded the resignation of Deputy CM Keshav Prasad Mayura. Apart from this, he also demanded 2 crore help to the families of the discredited farmer, government job, strict action against the culprit. Akhilesh Yadav sitting on dharna outside his house. Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav was stopped by the UP police from going to Lakhampuri after he is the worker of the Samajwadi Party create a ropes and there has a clash between the police and the workers. At the same time, Akhilesh Yadav has sat on a dharna outside his house in Lucknow. What is going on in Indian politics? Jayant Chaudhary broke the police barricading. Barricading was done by the police to stop Rashtriya Lok Dal leader Jayant Chaudhary going to Lakhampuri Kheri, but they broke the police barricading and left for Lakhampuri. The police tried to stop Jayant, but the worker pushed the vehicle forward after pushing the toll. FRI against Ajay Mishra and his son. This FRI has been registered against Union Minister of State for Home Ajay Mishra and his son Ashish Mishra in the Lakhampuri Kheri violence case. A case has been registered against both of the charge of murder and criminal conspiracy. Thank you so much with this today. Stay tuned with Union Daily News for more news related to this.